This is a packaging accessory. This is the protocol keyboard and the power cord. This is the product. How to root this product on Juniper. Same as other media traces. Go to this position. Go down here and come this way to root the line. All instrument lines can go like this. Come out of here. Tape the harness. Then thread it down. Wear it down here. After walking down from this position, then put it here. Just cover it up then. This page is the protocol board. The protocol board of the original car is here. I have installed other products here, so 1, 2, 3. This is the protocol keyboard of this product. This is where the power is drawn. Like other products, these power normally. The original car was plugged in here. Now because there are other products transfer. This is the adapter cable from my other product. I'm connecting them in series now. So I'm going to take this apart and show you. This is the wire of the meter. Pay attention to this port pair. The protocol cable is plugged in. Just take a power and plug it in. There are so many here because I have other products installed. But the step logic is the same. And then the whole line is connected. The line can be fixed like this. Taichu is also fixed like this. This covered another finding.